What is up, guys? Welcome to another episode of Tutorial Tuesdays. Today I'm going to be showing you how to play the Parks and Rec theme song on the Melodica. Many of you may have seen my video on how to play the Office theme song on the Melodica. You can click here if you've not. That one did pretty well, so I wanted to make more videos like that. So before I begin, I'm going to play what it's going to sound like once you're finished. So here we go. So this song isn't too difficult. It's in the key of C, meaning there's no sharps or flats, except for one point in the song where there's A flat you play a few times, but it's going to be white keys other than that. So at the beginning, it starts off with E, D, C, G. And you're going to do that a lot, where you play 4 notes in a row. And then after the E, D, C, G, it's E, D, C, F. So you go up to an F instead of the G. And then from here, you're going to be doing another group of 4, except it's going to be 4, 3, 2, 3. So ring finger, middle finger, pointer finger, middle finger. And you're going to do that 3 times in a row, moving down each time. So it goes 4, 3, 2, 3, move down 1, 4, 3, 2, 3, move down 1, 4, 3, 2, 3. All together. So now the next sequence is very similar to what we just played. So you do the E, D, C, F again, but before you do the 4, 3, 2, 3, you're going to actually add an extra F in between. And then you're going to add an extra E between before the next sequence. So it'll sound like this. And instead of playing the D right there, you actually go down to the A flat. So at this point, the song will sound like this. And then instead of doing a 4, 3, 2, 3 thing with the A flat, you actually play it a few times. So it sounds like this. So you still do the 2, 3, 4, 3 instead of 4, 3, 2, 3. So A flat, A, B, A. And then from there you do A, B, C, F. And then C, C, or F, 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 G, A. So all together again. So here's the more difficult part of the song, where you do the... So to do this, you need to basically bring your thumb underneath after you play the first 3 or 4 notes. Doesn't really matter. So if you do it while playing 3 notes, you do... And all you need to do is walk up the scale and then skip G. So starting with G, you go G, A, B, C, D, E, F, all the way to A, and then go back down. It's a little bit easier if you do 1, 2, 3, 4, then bring your thumb underneath. Do 1, 2, 3, 5, and 4, 3, 2, 1. So 1. Just like that. If you do it with the first 3 notes, so 1, 2, 3. You need to stretch out your pinky to get to the A. And then bring your hand, shift the whole hand over. Just like that. So kind of real time. So after the difficult part, what you're going to do is play G, G, F, F, E, E, D, D, C. But if you want to make it sound a little better, all you're going to do is add in B to the G. So, and then just go down with that, with your thumb. And if you want to end it on an even better note, you can play the E, G, and C. So there you have it, the Parks and Rec theme song on the Melodica. It's not too difficult, but if you have any questions with it, please leave a comment below. I'll try and help you out. Or if you have any suggestions for future Tutorial Tuesdays or Top 5 Fridays, I put them out every week, so I'm always looking for new ideas. So I'd love to hear from you. Again, thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. Peace.